Welcome to the shop. Tonight, I am working on my motorcycle again. I want to be able to carry stuff. That's not going to cut it. So I went for a beer run the other day. Ratchet strapped or bungee corded beer to the back. Didn't work. Got a plan. Step one, buy a waterproof case from Harbor Freight. Step two, bend up some weird funky brackets. Step three, drill some holes and put some screws in them. Fancy fasteners. Look at. Step four, yeah, it came from Harbor Freight, but oh, this is gonna hurt. Yeah, drill a hole in the bottom of your expensive waterproof case. Attach fancy home built crappy looking brackets to the holes that you just drilled into the bottom of your fancy waterproof case with your fancy fasteners. Fit. That's definitely one of the steps. Test fit. Yeah, it's not too crooked. I mean, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's... Stand back and wonder why you didn't just bolt it to the plate. Why didn't I just bolt it to the plate? Oh, because I want to be able to take it off. Like, I don't always want that there. Would you always want that there? Let's say you go off-roading somewhere. What you got to do? You got to get in here with your hands and try to get bolts. No. We're going to put some bolts right through the side of there. And then we can take it on and off anytime we want. Now we got to drill some holes. More holes. Not sure what step we're on now. Put bolts in the holes you just drilled. Grab it, shake it. That's not going anywhere. Step 642. Take the bolts out and put in pins. However, we have to wait for the rest of them to get here because those are still in the mail. Yeah, that's right. That's gonna make a good amount of noise. I love it. What was that? You thought we were done drilling holes? You thought wrong. You didn't know it, but we're making a sandwich in the shop tonight. Uh-oh, there it goes. There we go. Got a little rubber insulation in there so that the vibrations of the bike don't transfer into the contents here too much. Should be able to, if I need more room, I should be able to shave this foam out a little bit so that this is flat across here. I don't have to have all that foam in there, but the idea is that I will be carrying my laptop to and from work. And so I wanted something that was waterproof and somewhat vibration dampening. So that was the project for tonight. As always, it took longer than I expected. I don't like it as much as I thought I would, and I'm gonna have to change it. But that's it for tonight. Thanks for stopping out. I'll see you guys next time.